Hey, Simon from SEElight. Just a quick video today to do a demonstration of our Generation 2 LED tape connectors. So you can see from one side of the tape connector there are inputs for your wire, and on the other side of the connector you can insert your tape. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my tape into the tape end of the connector. Then I will carefully line up my leads, making sure that the negative and positive poles match up to the tape. Once everything is in place, I will then use a pair of pliers to activate the teeth and make a secure connection. So now I've made a secure connection with the pliers, I'm going to go ahead and power up the tape. As you can see, the tape has powered up nicely. I'm going to carry on and add an L-shaped bend to the tape, and you can see by repositioning the L shape I can choose to either go left or right. So I'm going to add the next strip of LED tape, and the most important thing obviously is making sure my negative and positive lines are all matched up. Then I can go ahead again and use my pliers to make a nice secure connection. And I've just added a final L shape just as part of this demonstration. I hope you enjoyed today's video.